So you might be trying to figure out how you can see and tell who has Snapchat Plus and who doesn't. So Snapchat Plus is that paid version of Snapchat that basically allows you to go through and access a lot more features inside of Snapchat. Now, in order to detect and see who has Snapchat Plus, the most reliable way about doing this is by looking out for a Snapchat Plus badge. So you should be able to see like a plus badge of some sort from their icon. So if you go ahead and look out for their icon right here, if there's a little plus icon next to it, that will basically indicate that that is a Snapchat Plus user, and that is an easy thing for you to go and kind of do there as well. Now, another thing is if their stories that they post last for over 24 hours, that is another way of kind of seeing if somebody has Snapchat Plus or not. So if you're able to make your way over to their stories, and if their stories contain, the length of story posts that's over 24 hours, like if it's been up for 2 days or 3 days or even up to a week, then they are definitely a Snapchat Plus user. So those are pretty much the main ways. That's kind of what I'd recommend kind of looking out for. If you're looking for somebody with Snapchat Plus, those are the main things. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.